This has been a great week and a great experience in terms of the Renewable Energy Week.
cyane cyane uyu munsi twagize uburyo bwo gusura ahantu hakorerwa ubuhinzi bushamikiye ku mirasire y'uzuba.
It was really good, and congratulations to EPD. You keep on, raising your bar each year, and we're expecting more next year.
For next year, for the conference, I'm expecting it to be bigger and better. I'm expecting it to be more varied panel sessions where we can delve more into the energy sector and how we can collectively work together to make our planet better. I'm also expecting it to be more exhibitions so that I can be able to learn more, and I hope that I'll be able to do more site visits as well.
We are so happy that a leg, Rwanda Energy Group, hosted us.
We think that this is an opportunity for all of us in the energy sector to share experience, learn and grow together.